So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you're going to scroll down and look for Bluetooth. You're going to click on run. And now this will come up. You're going to click on this. Wait for this to load. And then once you run this, you're going to click on yes. It's then going to do a couple tests for you. There also may be some steps that come up. You're going to follow the steps and then hopefully it'll fix it for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, for you it's going to be saying Bluetooth. I do not have it on my computer, but for you it's going to be saying Bluetooth. You want to expand Bluetooth. And then you want to find your Bluetooth device. You want to right click on it. Make sure that it's not being disabled. So in my case, this is enabled right now. I'm just going to disable it. So let's say that this has been disabled. If I right click on it, it will then say enable device. So now I'm going to enable it. So you want to make sure that your Bluetooth device has been enabled. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you run this on the left hand side, you're going to click on Bluetooth and devices. And then you're going to click on add device. And then click on Bluetooth. Just in case, try to add your device again, see if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in manage advanced sharing settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand private networks. You want to make sure you have network discovery turned on. And if you're using a Bluetooth printer, then you want to turn on file and printer sharing. If you've completed all these methods and it's still not working for you, just try to do a simple restart and then hopefully one of the methods that you completed should now fix the problem when your computer turns on again.